Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can clean the car's headliner. So this is the interior on the roof or just on the ceiling of the car. And cleaning a car headliner depends on how dirty it is and whether you're dealing with dust, stains or odors. But the key is being gentle because the headliner fabric is glued to foam and too much moisture swapping can cause it to sag. Now for light dust or dirt, we can use a soft microfiber cloth or a soft bristle upholstery brush. So we can gently brush or wipe the surface in one direction to lift dust without pushing it deeper into the fabric. So if it's something just like dust, we can push it gentle like this. Now it does have some stains here, you can see. So we need to use some other method to get rid of this stain. So again, we want to do in one direction, just gentle clean to get rid of the dust. Still some dust there, so I'll try to go in one direction and gentle clean it. This is all dry. The fiber cloth is dry, it's not wet. So that's just for light stain or dirt. Something heavier like this require another method. So for example, this one here, it is light stain or spots. So we can use like upholstery cleaner or a mix of mild dish soap plus warm water in a spray bottle. So here we can lightly spray, just a little bit, not too much. So we lightly mist the microfiber cloth and do not spray directly onto on the headliner. And we're going to dab the stain area, so don't rub it hard, just gentle. So here we're gonna rub it gently. So just do it gentle, don't go too hard on it. Then use a dry spot and so now you can see it is almost gone. And for a tougher stains or odor, we may want to consider forming upholstery cleaner or fabric specific cleaner, for example turtle wax or Maguire. So apply the foam sparingly to a soft brush or cloth. So apply it in area like this, in a circle to remove it, gentle in a circle. Just gonna let it sit for a few seconds. Okay, after that we use a dry part of the towel and just give it a rub. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I think most of it come off already. Just gonna rub it in one direction to smooth out the fabric. And that's it. Now it looks pretty good. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.